In 2001, astronomers pointed the Hubble telescope at the darkest patch of sky they could find. What they saw changed everything. Because hidden among billions of stars, they found one that shouldn't exist. A star older than the universe itself. How was that even possible? I'm Stella Atlas, and I've spent years diving into the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to the edge of what we know and beyond. Because this star, called Methuselah, isn't just breaking our models, it's revealing cracks in the very fabric of reality. Here's what we're uncovering. First, how we even measure the age of stars and why it's so hard. Second, the star that defied every calculation we had. And third, what this means for the Big Bang, dark matter, and the future of the universe. Let's start at the very beginning, 13.8 billion years ago. To understand why Methuselah is so impossible, we first need to talk about how stars age. See, stars aren't like humans. They don't have birth certificates, but they do leave clues. When astronomers look at a star, they measure three things. One, its temperature. Hotter stars burn blue, cooler stars glow red. Two, its brightness, how much light it's pumping out. And three, its chemical composition, what it's made of. Now here's the key. When the universe first began, there was only hydrogen and helium. But every time a massive star dies in a supernova, it forges heavier elements, carbon, oxygen, iron. Therefore, the more heavy metals a star has, the younger it must be, because it was born from the ashes of previous generations. But Methuselah, it has almost no heavy elements, which means it was born in the early universe, when almost nothing else existed. And that's where the problem begins. Methuselah, officially called HD 140283, sits about 190 light-years from Earth. It's a subgiant star, slightly bigger than our sun, but much, much older. In 2013, a team of astronomers used the Hubble Space Telescope to measure its age with unprecedented precision. They measured its distance, its brightness, its composition, and then they ran the numbers. The result? 14.46 billion years old. But here's the problem. The universe itself is only 13.77 billion years old, which means, according to our measurements, this star is 700 million years older than the Big Bang. It existed before existence itself. So what's going on here? Did we break physics? Or is the universe hiding something from us? Now, before you think we've discovered time travel or proof of a multiverse, let me tell you what scientists actually think is happening. And if you're as obsessed with unraveling cosmic mysteries as I am, hit that subscribe button now, because what I'm about to reveal gets even stranger. There are three possible explanations for Methuselah, and each one changes everything. Theory 1, we measured it wrong. See, that age, 14.46 billion years, comes with an uncertainty of plus or minus 800 million years, which means Methuselah could be as young as 13.66 billion years. Still ancient, but just barely young enough to fit inside the universe's timeline. Problem solved, right? Not quite. Theory 2, the universe is older than we think. Our estimate of the universe's age, 13.77 billion years, comes from measuring the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. But that measurement also has uncertainties. Some models suggest the universe could be 13.9, even 14 billion years old, which would make Methuselah fit, just barely. But here's the thing, Methuselah isn't alone. There are other ancient stars out there with similar ages, stars from the universe's second generation, called population 2 stars. And if all of them are pushing the age limit, maybe we're missing something bigger. Which brings us to Theory 3, and this one is wild. Theory 3, the early universe was weirder than we thought.
In the first trillionth of a second after the Big Bang, the universe underwent something called cosmic inflation. It expanded faster than the speed of light, stretching space itself. And during that time, quantum fluctuations, tiny ripples in spacetime, got blown up to cosmic scales. Now, most models assume the first stars formed about 100 to 200 million years after the Big Bang. But what if, in some regions of space, conditions were just right for stars to form earlier? What if Methuselah was born in a pocket of the universe that collapsed faster, denser, hotter? If that's true, then Methuselah isn't breaking the universe. It's showing us that the early universe was far more chaotic, far more diverse than we ever imagined, and it's not the only anomaly out there.
In 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope found galaxies that are too big and too mature for their age. Quasars powered by supermassive black holes that shouldn't exist yet, and large-scale structures in the cosmic web that formed too quickly. It's like the universe had a head start, and we're only now realizing we missed the opening act. So what does all this mean? Well, first, it means our models aren't complete. The Big Bang Theory is the best explanation we have, but it's not perfect. We still don't understand dark matter, dark energy, or what happened in the first moments of creation. And stars like Methuselah are the universe's way of telling us you're missing something. But second, and this is the exciting part, we're living in the golden age of astronomy. Every year, new telescopes come online, new data floods in, and with every discovery, we get closer to the truth. Maybe Methuselah will turn out to be younger than we thought. Maybe the universe is older. Or maybe, just maybe, we'll discover that the Big Bang wasn't the beginning at all, that our universe is just one bubble in an infinite cosmic ocean. And Methuselah, it's the first crack in the wall, the first glimpse of what lies beyond. The universe is full of mysteries like this. Objects that shouldn't exist, phenomena that break our models, and secrets hiding in plain sight. Want to see the strangest object we've ever found in space? Something so bizarre scientists thought it was aliens? Click here to watch my next video. Trust me, you won't believe what it is. And if you want to join me on more cosmic journeys like this, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, because the universe is just getting started. I'm Stella Atlas, and I'll see you among the stars.